This is the mansion. God, it's massive, isn't it? This is the mansion. It goes all the way down there, but it is massive. I think we go in. This way. Yeah, I think it's the way in. Luckily, I found a little light. It's the kitchen, but it's kind of been a bit destroyed. I think we just got to be careful of the flooring in it. I think it's quite wet and destroyed. Go through this way first. Does it? Yeah, it does smell of weed in it. Golf bag. Look at the golf bag. Nice house though. How do you know? Maybe. Just a little room. Whoa. This is really expensive, this little bit of kitchen. It's like really old. It's expensive apparently. Yeah. Another little like loungy bit, I reckon. That's the back garden. Cool. Anything down there? It's that little wardrobe. Guessing it's the toilet. Yeah, toilet. It's not heavily been smashed up, it's like. God, cobweb on me. That's gonna fall off, I'll leave her. Little bath, tub. Just gotta be careful on the floor. Don't want to step on the floor and fall through. In these rooms, I'm a bit nervous of falling through the floor. Nothing in there. Just a massive wardrobe. Oh, you scared me. Another little bathroom. Oh, Dad! It's a bath that looks like a hot tub. It looks like a hot tub there with a seat.
Yeah, it's such a cool bath.
I like that in
You
ours.
can be really careful now.
Because the floor.
So you can fall through.
Yeah,
Yeah?
it's a very old place. Keep looking where the floor is. Yeah, you can see all its nature's like smashed out almost. But I don't notice too many broken windows, so I think it's like quite hidden, this place. Another room. I'm not going to go over there because I think we've already done it and the floor is looking a bit dodgy. Careful, don't fall through the stairs. I think the stairs are alright. I'm not going in that room. Look at that. You'll fall through that instantly. And that as well. Oh. Massive wardrobe. Another toilet in there. And again, I'm not stepping on that because you'll just go through. Little stuff like that as well. Yeah, it smells of weed. People have definitely been doing weed in here. Or maybe it's mould. Mould kind of smells like weed a bit. It does a little bit. This house is very old, so you never know. That's the massive front door, which is locked, I think. Yeah. Thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video. This is an abandoned mansion, like pretty much like dying away pretty much by nature, so decaying. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.